Hello and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles. Today we've got something a little unique. This is the 2014 Harley Davidson FXSB 1690 Breakout. This particular bike has only done 2,800 miles from new. It's got full history, and as you can see it's got a few little extras. We've got the Screaming Eagle air filter, we've got the Vance and Hines big radius pipes, which look stunning. The bike is immaculate. It's got the quick release backrest on there, so you can just undo the pegs there and release the backrest if you wanted to. But yeah, as you can see, really nice. It does have the original seat with it as well. There, it's got 2 keys, 2 fobs, and yeah, 2,800 miles from new. The Breakout, when that was launched, it's such a desirable bike, it really is. Absolutely lovely. And what we'll do, we'll just do a quick start up of this vehicle. We'll just and so as you can hear, that sounds lovely. So if you're interested in this vehicle, we can offer finance with just £100 deposit. We can do nationwide delivery for £125, excluding extremities, like top of Scotland and the end of Cornwall, etc. The bike is in stock now. If you've got any questions, give us a call on 01302 768 01302 760 967, sorry. Or you can email us, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. I apologise for the fraudulent slip there. I nearly put my own phone number in there. Anyway, if you like to keep up with the videos, etc., please like and subscribe, and have a good day, folks. Cheers.